Most prompt advice focuses on wording, add context, assign a role, be specific, ask the model to think carefully. Those techniques can improve one answer, but reliability is a different problem. Prompt is reliable only when it keeps producing acceptable results across changing inputs, edge cases, and repeated use. Consider a support bot deciding whether a customer qualifies for a refund. A clever prompt may perform perfectly in a demo, then approve an expired purchase, reject a valid exception, or invent policy when the ticket is ambiguous. The sentence was not necessarily badly written. The task had no enforceable agreement. Reliable prompting begins when we stop treating prompts like magic phrases and start treating them like contracts. Picture the team launching that refund assistant. They paste the policy into the prompt, add be accurate, test 3 clean examples, and celebrate when every answer looks professional. Then real tickets arrive. One customer bought through a reseller, another leaves out the purchase date. The model still answers confidently because confidence is not evidence of compliance. It is generating a plausible continuation, not proving that each decision follows company rules. One successful answer tells you almost nothing about reliability. A demo proves possibility. A contract defines acceptable behavior when the easy examples disappear. When outputs fail, teams often rewrite the prompt with stronger adjectives. Be precise, be thorough, never make mistakes. But those words do not resolve the decisions. The team avoided what counts as a valid refund. Which source outranks another? What happens when the purchase date is missing? Is the model allowed to infer, or must it ask? Without explicit answers, the model fills gaps using statistical judgment and creates invisible policy. Clever wording can improve style, but it cannot manufacture a decision boundary. Dependability requires obligations, permission, evidence, and failure behavior. A prompt contract is not legal language. It is a structured agreement between the task owner and the model. It defines the goal, inputs, allowed sources, decision rules, output schema, quality criteria, and behavior. When confidence is insufficient for the refund bot, the contract might require a verified purchase date, a recognized sales channel, a matching policy clause, and one of 3 outcomes: approve, deny, or escalate. It might forbid invented policy and require the exact evidence used. Success is no longer the answer sounds good. Success becomes observable. Every decision contains required fields, follows the policy hierarchy, and escalates when evidence is incomplete. That shift turns taste into a specification. The first contract component is the input boundary. Models fail unpredictably when important context arrives in unpredictable forms. A customer may provide a receipt, screenshot, a forwarded email, or vague sentence. The contract should define which fields must exist before reasoning begins: order identifier, purchase date, product, sales channel, payment status, and requested resolution. Missing fields should remain explicitly missing rather than being guessed. Once inputs are normalized, the model is no longer solving a new puzzle every time. It is filling a known structure. Reliable output starts with reliable representation. Because rules cannot govern facts, the system never captured clearly. A contract becomes powerful when it sits inside a loop. First, define the task and its boundaries, then collect representative test cases, including ambiguous and adversarial ones, score outputs against explicit criteria, classify failures, missing evidence, wrong rule, weak extraction, unsafe inference, malformed output, or poor escalation. Revise the contract, not just the wording. Ruin the same cases and add every new failure to the test set. Keep human review for decisions with real cost. This is software testing logic applied to AI. Requirements create tests, tests expose failures. and failures improve the specification. The prompt is only one component. Reliability comes from the closed loop around it. Freeform prose can hide mistakes because fluent paragraphs blend reasoning, evidence, and conclusion. A contract should separate them. The refund assistant can return a fixed structure containing eligibility status, policy clause, extracted facts, missing information, confidence, and next action. If a required field is absent, the failure becomes visible before the answer reaches the customer. Structured outputs also enable automated checks, reject unknown status values, require evidence for denials, and route low confidence cases to a human. Reliability improves when failure becomes machine detectable. A polished answer can conceal a broken decision. A strict schema makes that decision harder to hide. The happy path shows what the system can do. Edge cases reveal what the system means. What if the purchase is eligible but used a non refundable promotion? What if two policy documents conflict? What if a service outage justifies an exception? Each case forces the team to choose a priority rule. Those choices belong in the contract. The test set is not merely quality control, it is a map of unresolved policy. Accuracy matters, but a production prompt can fail in several dimensions. The refund decision may be correct while its evidence is missing. The evidence may be correct while the explanation exposes internal policy. The response may follow policy but violate the required format. A useful scorecard separates decision correctness, evidence grounding, completeness, format compliance, safety, consistency, and escalation quality. Some criteria can be checked with code, others require human reviewers or a second model acting as evaluator. The goal is not one magical score, it is locating the failure type, so revision becomes targeted instead of emotional. Even a strong contract decays. Policies change, products evolve, teams add exceptions, and the prompt quietly accumulates patches. One sentence allows refunds within 30 days, another says enterprise purchases follow a separate process. A third adds an outage exception. Soon the contract contains contradictions no one can see at a glance. This is contract drift. The fix is versioning. Store the prompt, policy sources, test cases, evaluator rules, and release notes together. When the refund bot changes, rerun the full suite and compare results with the previous version. A prompt without version control is not an operating system. It is an undocumented memory of past decisions. Operationalizing the idea means separating responsibilities. The application gathers and validates inputs. Retrieval supplies policy. The model applies the contract. Deterministic checks verify the schema and obvious rules. An evaluator scores harder qualities. A human handles escalations and reviews sampled decisions. Logs capture the input, policy version, output, score, and final action. No single prompt should carry the entire burden of reliability. Models are strong at interpretation. Code is better at strict validation. And humans remain responsible for high impact judgment. The best prompt is not the one that does everything, it is the one that fits inside a system that catches what it cannot guarantee. With contracts, prompt improvement stops being a debate about phrasing. A support lead can identify a failed escalation rule. An engineer can find a missing validator. A policy owner can resolve a contradiction. Every failure has a location. That creates a compounding advantage. Each production mistake becomes a test. Each test sharpens the contract, and each revision reduces the chance of repeating the same class of error. The implication is larger than prompt engineering. As AI moves from drafting text to making decisions, reliability depends on whether an organization can express intent in testable form. A refund bot is only one example. The same pattern applies to code review, hiring screens, research synthesis, financial analysis, and agent workflows, clever prompts may create impressive moments, but contracts create repeatable performance. They make assumptions explicit, failures visible, and improvement cumulative. The teams that win will not have the most poetic instructions. They will translate judgment into rules, examples, checks, and escalation paths. A reliable AI system is not prompted into existence. It is specified, tested, observed, and continuously renegotiated